Hey guys, we received this Tikuere ceramic coffee mug. It's a set of four 16-ounce coffee mugs with a big handle for coffee, milk tea, latte, cereal, large stoneware mugs for any. So it comes in a really nice and protective gift box so that you can give, and it's a really large size as you can see it here. Very nicely built, a nice color and the feel. The handle is also a big handle, so you can easily carry this or hold this. So this can carry up to 16 ounce of the fluid or the 18 ounce to the maximum capacity. When the diameter is around 3.9 inches and height is around 3.5 inches. So you can see like all these four mugs or the cups, so this can carry a really large volume. So I will say like the total or the maximum volume is 18 ounce. So looks really nice, handy, easy to carry, easy to wash. You can wash it in a dishwasher or any like in the water and the soap. And this is a nice lightweight sturdy mugs.